Welcome back to another exciting video of Guess with Me. Today's video is computer shortcut keys. How smart are you? Let me know in the comments. But before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1. What is the shortcut for aligning text to the right in many text editors? Option B is right. Number 2. Which key combination is used to create a bulleted list in many text editors? Option C is right. Number 3. What is the shortcut for creating a numbered list in many text editors? Option C is right. Number 4. What is the keyboard shortcut to minimize or restore all open windows in Windows? Option C is right. Number 5. Which keyboard shortcut is used to cycle through open tabs in a web browser in reverse order? Option A is right. Number 6. What is the shortcut for selecting all text or items in a document or folder? Option A is right. Number 7. Which keyboard shortcut is used to open the Windows Start menu? Option C is right. Number 8. Which keyboard shortcut allows you to rename a selected file or folder? Option A is right. Number 9. Which keyboard shortcut allows you to toggle between uppercase and lowercase text in many text editors? Option A is right. Number 10. What is the shortcut for taking a screenshot of a selected area on the screen in Windows 10 and later? Option C is right. Number 11. Which key combination is used to open the Find and Replace dialog in many text editors and word processors? B is right. Number 12. What is the shortcut for opening the task view in Windows? Option B is right. Number 13. Which keyboard shortcut is used to refresh a web page in a web browser? Option C is right. Number 14. What is the keyboard shortcut to open the system settings? Option A is right. Number 15. What is the shortcut for moving the cursor to the end of the current line in a text document? Option A is right. Number 16. Which keyboard shortcut is used to open the Run dialog in Windows? Option C is right. Number 17. Which key combination is used to cut selected text or files in Windows? Option A is right. Number 18. What is the shortcut for opening the browser's developer tools in web browsers like Google Chrome? Option B is right. Number 19. Which key combination is used to copy the selected text or files in macOS? Option A is right. Number 20. What is the shortcut for creating a new folder in macOS Finder? Option C is right. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video.